not really sure how to start this video. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi, it's been a very long time since I've said welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be filming, but it's a bit of an odd time at the moment. So we're gonna currently take the elephant in the room, we're gonna put him in a different room, and we're just gonna talk about me. We're gonna talk about me for the start of this video. That's what this video was meant to be about. I've been planning it for a few months now, and things have happened. I'm aware I look hella ratchet, not cute at all, no makeup, haven't washed my hair in 5 days, and I slept in this jumper. But there are bigger things to be worrying about right now, and I don't care what I look like, so I'm just here to talk to you guys, so please ignore that. So, talk about me. This is an update video. I have been gone for a very long time, guys, and I am very, very sorry for that. I logged onto my YouTube today to find that I haven't posted since September the 27th, and that is just heartbreaking. Also, half of my content has now been put as like content for kids. I don't even know what's I don't know what's happening. But yeah, basically, it's exciting why I've been away. I've been working on a project, but it's been like a proper full-time project, and I also work full-time. So as you guys know, I mean, if you've been following me for a while, you've heard this video, versions of this video like 6 times now, you know, about how when I want to focus on one thing, something has to, you know, I have to sacrifice something, whether that was me at uni or coming out of work, you know, starting full-time work. You know, you've heard this all before, that when I need to get something done, other things suffer. So so my personal Instagram account and my kawaii Instagram account are the only things I've really been able to keep running, but everything else has completely died and suffered, and it's really upsetting. But the project that I've been working on is just so unbelievably exciting. It's one of the most stressful, hardest things I've done, but I'm so excited about it. I'm not going to spend this video talking about it. I'd rather talk about it in a different video given the circumstances. But I mean, as a YouTuber, if I say the words, I'm working on a project, but I can't talk about it right now. I'm pretty sure you can guess what I've been working on, so I hope you guys are excited. Like, I can't stop smiling. I'm really, really excited about it. But it's sort of coming to an end. And it was already going to come to an end right at this point, and I was going to start making videos, and I'm going to start doing all the projects that I haven't been able to do because I haven't had time. But it's just happened to also coincide with a certain event that I'm sure we all know about. But yeah, let's bring that elephant quickly back into the room. So I have had a few messages asking me if I'm healthy and safe, and I am. I hope you guys are also healthy and safe. Please only take your information from your country's official medical advice. I will leave the UK links down below. Do not listen to influencers or anything like that. Please wash your hands, social distancing, blah blah blah. Here in the UK, I'm now sitting in front of my working from home desk, which I might do a tour of, you know, because it's what I imagine one of the desks looking like in my like imaginary dream studio. But yeah, I'm working from home pretty much now. The UK is, well, at least London is maybe not in an official lockdown, but we are pretty much, well, everyone I know my age and above are taking this very seriously, and it's pretty much like we're not going out, we're self-isolating. Pubs and bars, etc., have been asked to close. But again, I'm not gonna, you know, that's all I'm gonna say. Please be safe, please wash your hands, etc. I'll leave resources for the UK down below, but please search your own. I will also leave happy resources, because that's the third part of this video. The first part was an update, second part is acknowledging the elephant, and the third part is positivity and happiness. I've been doing really, really well, but I kind of had a wobble last night, just because of the maybe like the financial and economic impact that this is gonna have on me and other people. Really freaking hit me last night. But I have been keeping positive, and as I said, I was already planning on doing nothing for the next 2 weeks apart from crafting and doing all of the projects that I've been wanting to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I was already going to make this update video to tell you I'm coming back, I'm going to be crafty, I'm going to be doing videos, but now it's definitely cemented because I'm going to have a lot more time on my hands, which is a positive of this situation, is that I get to spend more time at home, more time crafting. So yeah, basically I will leave some positivity, happiness links down below. It was actually Global Happiness Day yesterday. They have a brilliant website. They have a whole 30-day like keeping calm and keeping kind calendar that you can go and have a look at, that has like tips on keeping sane if you're stuck inside, all that stuff. So I'll leave links to all of that stuff as well. I'll just do a quick rundown of things that you can do if you're stuck inside. I put this on my personal Instagram account, and I got a lot of good feedback, because while I know this time is great for self-development, some people are gonna be just so overwhelmed they don't even want to think about anything like that. So my advice for people who just want like mind-numbing entertainment is obviously films, Netflix. You can maybe find some deals. I know in the UK Now TV is doing like 2 months of their movie and TV for only £2. There's lots of stuff that you can find online. Also, RuneScape, Habbo Hotel, Neopets, Club Penguin, these are all free games that still exist. All the games I used to play when I was a kid, they're all still online. RuneScape you can now play on like any device. So if you want to escape into a world that doesn't have the plague in it, those ones I highly recommend. So those are kind of the ones that are a bit like, if you don't even want to learn anything, if you don't want to be even thinking about it, then go and just immerse yourselves in games and books. And obviously Animal Crossing has just come out. I spent 3 hours this morning playing it. So excited. But then, as I said, there is self-development. I have spent the last week on Skillshare because I'm going to start painting this weekend for the first time in basically my entire life. So yeah, Skillshare, really excited. I've just been like trawling there, and I'm also going to be using it for work because I'm working from home, so that's a lot of opportunity to learn new things. They haven't sponsored this video, but I do have an affiliate link which I'll leave in the description box, along with any other deals that I can find. Along with the Skillshare deal, Adobe are doing 2 months free, which is crazy. Like I've never seen Adobe do any kind of deal ever. So there's 2 months free for Adobe. So if you've ever wanted to use Photoshop, video edit, like now is the time to just get it done. 2 months of free Skillshare, 2 months of Adobe, like just make your dreams happen, you know? And obviously that's really nice of them to be supporting obviously freelancers and things like that that could be in a bit of a situation right now. Also podcasts, again, okay, I'm just going to leave a list in the description because I could be rambling here forever, and you know, I'm sure people don't want to be listening to this, to be honest. Even if it's positive, I don't think people want to be listening to this, and that's why I am going to be aiming to make normal content as normal. Starting from today, I hope to film a video tomorrow. I'm just going to make whatever I want at this point. I'm just going to put out videos and hopefully it cheers some of you up. Just, oh, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I don't know how to finish. I'll just finish by saying I love you guys. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any requests, actually, for any kind of video at all, please leave it in the comments below and I will try and get stuff out to you guys that might bring a smile to your face. So I love you guys. Keep safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video.